How does the Overbreadth Doctrine apply to profanity laws? Imagine trying to tell someone they can't say anything offensive in public, but the law ends up banning much more than just the bad words. That's where the Overbreadth Doctrine comes into play. It's a rule from the Constitution that stops laws from being too broad. When it comes to profanity laws, this rule checks if the law is too strict and ends up punishing protected speech. Profanity laws are meant to keep public spaces respectful by banning offensive language. But if a law bans all words considered offensive, no matter the context, it might also stop people from expressing themselves in ways protected by the First Amendment. For example, a law that bans all indecent language without clear limits could prevent a performer from using strong language in a play or a protester from speaking passionately. The Overbreadth Doctrine looks at whether the law is too wide in what it bans. If it stops a lot of speech that is okay under the First Amendment, the law can be declared invalid. Courts will ask if the law bans a big chunk of protected speech compared to the speech it is trying to stop. If it does, the law might be thrown out. Many states have strange or outdated profanity laws that could be challenged under this doctrine. Some laws ban any offensive language in public without defining what that means. This vagueness can make people afraid to speak freely, even when their words are not harmful. For instance, a law that bans all indecent words might stop someone from using strong language in a social or artistic setting. To avoid this problem, lawmakers should write laws that target only speech that truly causes harm or disrupts public order. They should be specific about what is banned and when it is okay to use certain words. This way, they protect public decorum without infringing on free speech. In short, the Overbreadth Doctrine applies to profanity laws by making sure they do not prohibit too much protected speech. If a law is too broad and stops people from expressing themselves in ways that are allowed, courts can declare it unconstitutional. This keeps the balance between maintaining public manners and respecting free expression, even when some state laws about profanity seem pretty wacky.